Welcome back, continuing the news. Particularly egregious, how the major organized crime and anti-corruption agency MOCA is describing the multi-million-dollar fraud involving former employees of the Heart NSTA Trust, a government agency. Charges have been laid on 2 of the 3 individuals arrested Friday morning in relation to the $17 million fraud investigation that dates to the 2018-2019 financial year. Director of Communications at MOCA, Major Basil Jarrett, shared details of the individuals charged so far.
The first one, Mr. Simoes Ellis, is a resident of Gregory Park, Portmore. He was charged this afternoon with larceny as a servant and the possession of criminal property and conspiracy. The other individual is also a former employee of Heart Trust NTA, Kavina Atkins, and she was charged this morning as well with receiving stolen property and possession of criminal property and conspiracy to defraud.
MOCA says both will appear in the St. James Parish Court on Wednesday, December 4.
It involves monies being moved to various bank accounts, monies being paid to persons who are not lawfully supposed to receive them. Financial crimes are always problematic, but this one, coming from an entity as important as the Heart Trust, it's particularly egregious. We appeal to persons who are in these positions who might see questionable financial transactions. If you're not sure, but something tells you that there's something not right here, call the MOCA tip line and let us determine whether or not a crime is being committed.
The MOCA tip line is 888 MOCA tip. That's 888-6622-847.